Hi viewers and subscribers, welcome to my channel, Excelling in MS Excel Analytics. Here in the series of the videos, I would tell you how Excel command, functions, and tools provide several means and ways to analyze and interpret data. Data analysis consists of many phases. Point 1, data collection. Point 2, data cleaning. Point 3, data processing. Point 4, data analysis. In this video, you will learn how you can clean the data. Get rid of extra spaces. Extra spaces are difficult to spot and correct. Multiple spaces may be easy, but trailing spaces are pretty tough. Trailing spaces are blank spaces at the end of the statement or word which are not followed by any other character. Here's an easy way to spot and eliminate such errors by trimming the texts. Two, select and treat all blank cells. Blank cells are troublesome because they often create errors while creating reports, and people usually want to replace such cells with 0 not available or something like that. But replacing each cell manually on a large data table would take hours. Luckily, there's an easy way to tackle this problem. Three, convert numbers stored as text into numbers. When we import data from file, during transit, data might get affected. Also, some have a habit of using an apostrophe before numerical values, which is considered as text in Excel. Such minor data conversion can drastically affect calculations. To eliminate such errors, here's a trick. Here it multiples every single value to 1. And anything multiplied by 1 is the same number. But this trick also takes care of the apostrophe numerical. Number 4. Remove duplicates. Elimination of duplicate data is necessary for the creation of unique data and less usage of storage. In duplication, you can either highlight it or delete it. Number 5. Change text to lower, upper or proper case. While importing data, we often find names in irregular forms like a lowercase, uppercase, or sometimes mixed. Such errors are not easy to eliminate manually. Here's a fingertip trick to bring back the consistency. Our next video topic will be how to fix most common error in Excel. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe this channel for more informative videos about Excel. Thanks for watching this video.